Welcome to Coffee Grounds with Jeff Wallitsch. We have some really easy ways to kind of freshen up that container garden. We've been talking, in the spring, we had some neat ideas. Now you're going to show us how to move this into summer.
Exactly. Like I've said before, container gardening isn't just for one season, it's for all 4 seasons. So we're going to create a really cool, fun summer container garden. So like I said before, this is going to be our staple plant. He's going to stay in here all season long, all summer, all fall, and we're just going to work around it.
And these are the ones from the springtime, so you can just toss
so they're getting
these?
a little raggy. We're going to freshen this up. So we're just going to go ahead and take these out, Claudia.
Okay.
And like you said before, like with container gardening, there's no commitment. So if something doesn't work, you just rip it out and you shove something else back in. So some great plants that we can use. This is the trailing petunia. We got some summer snapdragon here, the Angelonia. And then we also have the Gumfrina. These are gonna love the heat and the humidity. And Claudia, you got that really cool salvia over
Love
there.
This. And so this you can just pop on in any place?
Yep, take out of the container. We're gonna pop it in. We got our tall, medium, and trailing guys.
Okay. And you can feel comfortable with leaving this in full sun.
Exactly,
Totally okay,
this is gonna be great in the full sun. It loves the heat and it loves the humidity here in Kentucky too.
With our spring container gardening, I know it wasn't so much maintenance. This requires a little bit more care.
This is a little bit more care. You are gonna need to water more on a regular basis, more of a daily basis. And then also feeding your plants is important. I like to use the Monty's plant food here, and then also the Osmocote.
Okay, a lot of us have. I know I have some containers around the garden. They're beautiful and they're empty. I'm like, what do I do with them?
Yeah, you have a party come up, take this really cool lantana plant. We're just gonna plop it down in there.
Look at that.
And you got an instant container ready to go.
That was a lot of work right there.
Yes.
All right, for more information, go to wallitsch.net.